We're just a week away from the official launch of the iPhone 17 series, and the leaks are heating up like crazy. Reports are saying that over 70% of iPhone users are ready to upgrade this year. That's wild. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're planning to upgrade too. Now, let's talk iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, because honestly, this year, Apple's going bold. First up, the design. We're finally getting a brand new back. Instead of the same old camera bump, Apple's going with a huge camera bar, kind of like what you see on a Google Pixel. But this isn't just for looks, it's functional. Apple is adding a brand new 48-megapixel telephoto lens, which means, for the first time, all three cameras on the back are 48 megapixels. And if that wasn't enough, leaks say we could even see 8K video recording. But the biggest change is inside. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will reportedly be 8.7mm thick. And that's not a bad thing. That extra thickness makes room for a massive 5000 mAh battery. The iPhone 16 Pro Max already had legendary battery life. But this is going to be next level. I'm seriously hyped about this upgrade. And powering all of that, the A19 Pro chip. Now, let's talk display. A heavily rumored feature is the anti-reflective coating. If Apple nails this, it's going to be a game changer. Imagine using your phone in bright daylight without those annoying reflections. Samsung's been doing this, and if iPhone gets it too, wow. And accessories? Oh, Apple's not holding back. The clear case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is already making waves. It's not fully transparent. It's got that frosted white touch, which lines up with the new aluminum unibody design. Yes, Apple is moving away from titanium. Aluminum is lighter, cheaper, but also a bit more fragile. And before I wrap this up, let's not forget the iPhone 17 Air. It's rumored to be super thin, single rear camera, under 3000 mAh battery. Basically, the lightest iPhone yet. But yeah, battery life is going to take a hit. Make sure you subscribe, because I'll be covering the launch event and every new detail as it drops. So, are you upgrading this year? Let me know down in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next one.